Hello and good evening from a very cold Krakow. Yes, I'm in Krakow, Poland, and I'm here for a couple of days, but I'm going to spend one night in this accommodation just here off camera. I'll show you it in a second. I've been here before. This will be my fourth time I've stayed here. I absolutely love it. It's -4 degrees, as you can see. It's snowing. It's freezing cold. But I'm going to show you now. I decided to spend one night in a hostel. It's not just any old hostel, it's this hostel. It's the boat hostel and chill. On the river itself, it's a boat. As I said, I've stayed here 3 times before. I love the place. So let's get checked in and hopefully let's get warm. Oh, it's cold. Hello. Checking in. All checked in. I'm in room 4. So let's make my way through to room 4. And room 4 is down here. So room 4. Now they are dormitories, and this is my room. So I've booked this room for myself, so it's not going to be shared. This is my room. Very tight area. It's a cabin, as you can imagine, so you do have your little lock-up cupboards behind the door, so you can lock stuff away. And there are 2 sets of bunks. So it does sleep 4 in this room, but this is my room only. Has a heater in as well, so if I want to make it warmer, I can do. View out the window. As you can see, it's very cold out there. That's the view. And the main room, of course, is the bathroom, which is, let's turn that up. So there's your bathroom, your ensuite. Toilet, little sink, and your shower. Heated towel rail as well. And the shower in the corner. Little bit of a tight squeeze. Plenty of room for me. The only thing I will say in this room is there's no TV. Try and get a longer shot so you can see the room full. There's towels and bedding. So here's the towel, and there's your bedding for your own bed, a cover. Bed looks clean enough. Let's check the mattress. Does have a mattress protector on. Yeah. Looks okay. I'll be sleeping in the bottom. I'm not climbing on the top. There's no TV in the room. It does have Wi-Fi and there's no coffee or tea making facilities. But there is another room that you can make a cup of tea or a cup of coffee in. I'll just take you there now. Right at the end of the corridor is a communal room. It's a bit of a sun trap in the summer. It's where they used to serve breakfasts in the morning, but they've stopped doing it now. So it's board only. This is beautiful in the summer, sitting here having your breakfast. It used to be lovely, but you can sit here now and help yourself to tea and coffee. They do allow you to have tea and coffee. There's a kettle in the corner and there's tea and coffee there for you, so you can help yourself whenever you want tea or coffee. It's changed a bit, this. Never used to be like this, and they never used to have very large terrapins. I've just spoke to one of the staff members regarding the bar. Obviously it's closed because it's winter, it's -4 degrees, it's December, but she has opened the gate. So I'm going to go up and show you the sun terrace. Well, it's not exactly a sun terrace at -4 degrees, but it's where you would sit out during the warmer months. And there's a little bar up there, all closed at the moment, but I'll show you anyhow. Oh, this brings back memories. Oh, just look at this. So this is on top of the boat. There's the little bar. Now in the summer, the whole of this area, as you can see, you can just see where the umbrellas would go in. But there would be tables and chairs all the way down either side and umbrellas up. And you can sit out here, you can see the lights along the edges, and it's all lit up in the summer, and you have a beautiful view of over there. Good morning. I'm just looking out the window, thick with snow, and it's cold. It hasn't stopped snowing all night long. So my verdict on the boat. It's called the Boat Hostel and Chill. It might still be on the internet under certain search engines as the Martha, spelled M-A-R-T-A. So look out for that in case you're trying to find it. So my verdict, well, it's my third, could be fourth time here. So that tells you exactly what I think of the place. It's a shame they've dropped the breakfast though, that's the problem. Because the breakfast was a nice little touch, but the price has dropped as well to what we paid last time we came. So anyhow, the room sleeps 4, but I actually hired the room just for myself. So the price is just for me to have this room with an ensuite. And the bed, again, I've never had a problem sleeping here. It's so quiet because it's by the river at night time. It's so quiet. It's the first time I've been here while it's been snowing, and it's been this thick with snow. I've enjoyed the one night stay. But there's not really a lot I can say about the place now because the breakfast is gone, so I can't show you the breakfast. But the place itself, it's nice when you come in the summer. As I said, I've come here for the Christmas markets and I'm staying here just to show you what this place is like. In the summer, you have the terrace upstairs, as I told you before, which is lit up and the bar's open all the time, and it's nice to sit out there. Breakfast, apparently you can go and have about 300 meters that way from where I'm sitting. There's a restaurant cafe down there which you can go and pay and have breakfast if you want, but I'm going to go into town. There's a Wi-Fi while you're here as well, so you get your Wi-Fi. Tea and coffee if you want to help yourself to tea and coffee, which is quite good. There's a bar. You have to go to reception and you can have some drinks. There are drinks on show in the communal area in a cabinet, so you can go and order your drinks off the reception. So you can have a drink here. They don't do food. Other than that, would I come back? If I'm back in Krakow, I would definitely stay here again. Price wise, for me, for the whole room with the ensuite, don't forget this is classed as a hostel, so 4 people could sleep in this room, but I got the whole room to myself with the ensuite, £31. You can't quarrel at that. £31 and the whole room's mine. It used to only be about £40 with a breakfast. Anyhow, put down the comments down below as a little bit of a novelty, a bit of a quirk. Would you like to stay on a boat hotel, boat hostel like this one? It's not as close to the old town as I would like it, but you can't have the river, can't move the river, so you're on the actual river. But the old town is about, if a leisurely walk, 15-20 minutes away. That's the only thing that I'll say to you. If you want to book here, you're about 15 to 20 minutes away. But if you jump an Uber or a Bolt, £4.50, £5 for a taxi. So you can't quarrel at that either. So would you stay here? Is this your sort of accommodation? Would you like to give it a go? It is quite central for Krakow. It's nice. You're overlooking the castle. There's a lot to do in Krakow, as you know. If you've been here before, you've got the salt mines, you've got Auschwitz. Schindler's factory, don't go. Nothing there. The reason why I'm saying that is basically when it was Schindler's factory, a clothing company took over it. And they had a lease on it for 20 odd years, and then the lease went, but everything while they were in there was taken out. So there's nothing in Schindler's factory that actually relates to Schindler. The only thing that's there is, if you've ever watched Schindler's List, is the staircase that they used in the movie, and there's a map on the wall which is carved into the wall. That was the only 2 things in there. The rest of it is videos. So waste your money. Don't even go to Schindler's factory. Krakow, definitely visit. Salt mines is a must. If you come to Krakow, go the salt mines. The hot springs I haven't checked, but that's on my list to do. The hot springs. And watch out, there's a restaurant in the old Jewish quarter which is coming up on one of my videos. It's 3 shops, or it was 3 shops. It was a grocer's, a seamstress and a carpenter's shop. And what they've done is knock the 3 shops through, but they haven't actually knocked them through. They've took half the walls out and the doorways through the shops, and it's a full restaurant. So you can sit in the grocer's where they've still got the shelving and have your meal. You can sit in the seamstresses and eat your meal off sewing machine tables, or you can sit in the carpenters and eat your meal off the carpenter workbenches. Some old furniture and garments and photographs of how it used to be are hanging around. It's very dim lit, very atmospheric, and they come round and play music while you're having your meal as well. So watch out for that video. That's coming up. It's called Once Upon a Time is the restaurant. That's how I know it's in English. I can't tell you what it is in Polish. Anyhow, watch out for that one. That's coming up shortly because I'm going to go there tonight to have a meal. And watch out for the next accommodation where I'm staying in another hostel, but it's right in the main square of Krakow. That's coming up shortly as well. And tomorrow I am moving on to Gdansk, where I will be staying in a hotel and visiting Gdansk's Christmas market. So put your comments down below. Have you enjoyed this video? If you have, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And bye for now.